YouTube, it's your boy Dino Gambino from Vintage Toys Plug. Well, today's a rainy day, so I'm gonna stay home and do me a claim sale. First off, make sure y'all subscribe and follow my journey. Today's video is gonna be a claim sale. I'm gonna have our Instagram, so I'm gonna be setting up and you can see my figures, and my Instagram is gonna be in the bottom, so y'all can follow me and get some of these figures. Follow my journey. Let's go. Let's go. YouTube, that's it, folks. I'm done with the claim. So now make sure y'all follow my Instagram at Vintage Toy Plug. Make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube and try to buy some of these Joes from me. I got them on the cheap low. I got them on the low low. Holla at your boy Dino Gambino, Vintage Toys Plug. Chill.